Okay, fine.
This meeting is being recorded.
So, what we are working on? Shoe cart, right? And this is what we have developed till now. How many of you have started working on this? Started? Very good. So this is what we were building, and I gave a task that this is the actual price which is going on right now, and you want to show the next price with a line through or a strike through. How did it? No? Why? Huh? Okay. So what we will do is this time we are showing the same price every time, right? We are showing the same price every time, and in the same heading tag we are showing it. So first we will do one thing, that this is the price. In all of the object I will create one more field, that is D price, or you can say A price. Here A price stands for actual price. Okay. A price stands for actual price, and we will give the different price every time. Okay, we are already writing it in a variable discount. So from there we will remove it and we will give it to a object. So that is removed from everywhere. Now we want to use it. So at first I have given that actual price to the first object. We'll give it to rest of all the objects. So we have given the actual price to all the objects and we will use it now. So here we are running a loop. Let's create another tag, and here what we will use, item dot a price, item dot a price, and which will be rendering the actual price, but it will be coming in the next line as heading is a block level element. For that we will have to give the styling. So for the above HTML I will give a style that it is displaying inline, and this H4 will be also displaying inline. So it is having line through decoration, and but what we want is these two prices should come in a same row, or you can say same line. For that what we will do is we will just merge them inside a container, and after that they will come in a same line. To this particular div I will say that it is displaying flex, and it is having a column gap of 8 pixel. So you will see that they are having the space between them. As this is a discounted price and this is the actual price, so we will show these in a different color. So let's first check on the actual website that what they are following. Actual price they are displaying in completely black color, but sorry, discounted price they are showing in black color, and actual price they are showing in some bit dull color. We will try to use the same thing. So here we will write that style, color, right? So we are having that also. Now here they are writing a discount also, 42% off this, right? They are writing this discount also. We know one thing. I think we have kept the same price to all the shoes. Okay. But if you have different price, we will write that later. Now we will add one more section to all the products, whether they are in stock or out of stock. So for that, go to TypeScript. In the products array, I will write one more field, and this field will say in stock. So its value can be true or false, right? So again, we will give it to all the objects. In some of the products, we will write false also. And after that, we will use a concept. Remember, dynamic CSS we will write. So I have given that value in stock, either it is true or false. So first thing we need to display that below the price section. So let's come below the price section. So here you are displaying the price and all. After that, we will display a paragraph. In this paragraph, at first we will check a condition if item is available in stock. ng if, and ng if will say in item dot in stock. If this particular part is returning true, if this particular part is returning true, it will say available. It will say available. So here you will see that all the products are having available section. Now we need to increase the height of our component. So okay. So now you can check every product is having available and available. Now what I will do is to the second product, I will say that in stock false. In stock false. It is not displaying anything because it is out of stock. I want that if this particular part is not available, means if it is false, it should display out of stock. It should display out of stock. For that, I will write one more paragraph here. And in this paragraph, I will write out of stock. Out of stock. Second thing is condition. So ng if equals to item dot in stock, and before this I will keep a not sign. I will keep a not sign. Means reverse condition you are checking. It means if item dot stock is returning false, then only it will be displayed. I will give you a explanation for that. In the starting, we were directly writing item dot in stock, right? We were writing item dot in stock, and that is fine. If it is returning true, available will be displayed. Available will be displayed because we know that paragraph will be displayed only if it is returning true. Now, what I am writing out of stock. Now, how to write that condition out of stock? That is also simple. You check item dot stock again. Item dot in stock again. I will check it, but I will keep a not symbol here. So if your product is not in stock, what it will return? False, right? It will return false, and you are keeping a not before it, so it will become not false. Not false means true. Not false means true, so it will return out of stock. If you are keeping not item dot stock and item is available in stock, so item dot stock will return true, but you have kept a not before it. So not true means if something is not true, it is false. So it will not be displayed. So I have kept not item dot stock out of stock. And you will see that here it is coming as out of stock available. So in this way it is coming, right? In this way it is coming. Okay, that is fine. Now second thing, I want to give them some styling. If product is available, it should come in green color. If product is not available, it should come in red color. And directly, as we are having two different condition, we can write it. Or else we have, if you don't want to write in this way, we can attach the else condition, colon else. In else, it will display out of stock. Out of stock. For that you need to create a ng-template. In this ng template you need to give the id out of stock, id out of stock, and here you need to write a paragraph that it is out of stock. This also you can use. For that you need to import. What we need to import for using ng template? It is ng template ng template roots you need to import, but it works with the modules also. So in this way also you can write the else condition, but while we can write a simple paragraph, why to write something difficult? So this product is available and this is out of stock, this is available, this is available. Now let's check our code. For that last three products I will say that they are out of stock, last three. For making them out of stock, what I will do is I will create here false. Here also I will create false, and here also false. Save the file and you will see that they are out of stock now. They are out of stock. Please use different pictures and different products. Don't use same products while you are developing the application. Now we will design this available and out of stock section. For that, here I will write its styling. So its style I will write in a way that color colon green. If item is available, it will be coming in green color, and if item is out of stock, its color will be red, or you can say that's it, red color only. So we are having available, out of stock, available, available, right? That is done. So now product card is completely ready to use. Now we can use this section, right? We can use this section. Now just let's say one thing. Here if I'm clicking on this add to cart, first do one thing. To this button we will write some styling, and we will write cursor pointer. I will write cursor pointer, so it's coming. Now just check one thing. If I'm clicking on this particular shoe, it is added into the cart. If I'm clicking on this, it is also getting added into the cart, right? It is also getting added into cart, but it is out of stock. This particular shoe is out of stock. It is not available in stock. So you should not be able to click on this button, right? You should not be able to click on this button. Clicking on this button is totally depends on the availability. If product is available, then only you can add this. Otherwise, you cannot add this. For that, go to VS Code again, and here you are creating a button, right? Best of luck, Summer, for your exam. Right? What we will do is we will try to change this button's design or text. How? For that, I will write a condition. I will write a condition. Condition in the same way. Let's copy paste the button 2 times. Right? I have copy pasted the button 2 times. So 2 buttons are coming here, right? We will remove it, don't worry. The first button I will show after checking a condition here. I will write ng if. In ng if I will write item dot in stock. If item is available in stock, then only that button is visible. So you will see that in last 3 are out of stock, so it is not visible here. In second also it is not visible. Second button, instead of writing here add to cart, I will remove this. I will remove this image also from this button, and here I will display a text notify me. Notify me means whenever this product is coming in stock, you will get a mail or message that that product is available in stock. I want to display this button ng if not item dot in stock. When item is not available in stock, then this button will be visible. Add to cart, notify me, notify me, notify me, notify me, right? Now I will make the first but products status as out of stock. For that, go to TS and first product I will make it as false. And you will see that here also notify me came. But when I'm clicking on this button of notify, it is getting added into the cart because both of the buttons are having same function, add to cart, right? So here it will not be having add to cart. It will be having a on click, and this on click will write a alert. In alert it will say you will get an email whenever product is in stock. So direct alert I will show when on the notify me. Now if I'm clicking on this button notify me, see it is saying that you will get an email whenever product is in stock, and this product is not getting added into the cart. What if I make this again available in stock? This time available, add to cart, and you can add it to cart, right? Understood? Very easy here to do the things. Now what we are going to do is we will design this cart icon, right? We will design this cart icon so that it should be having some functionality also, right? So go back to HTML. In this div we are showing it. So this is the div which is showing the cart. This one, right? It is showing the cart. So before this cart, here I am showing one image, one count. So in this paragraph, I will write check your cart colon. And you will see that it is saying check your cart by clicking on this icon. To this div, we can write one style that it is displaying a flex so that everything will come in a single line. Check your cart, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These things are coming, right? These things are coming, but it is just a counter variable. This is just a counter variable. It is nothing to do with the product. It is nothing to do with the product. This time, instead of writing this particular part here, what I will do, go back to TypeScript. First, I am telling you that what problem we are going to solve now. I clicked on this button, add to cart. It is added. When this product is already added into cart, why I am able to click on this again? If this product is already added, why I am able to add this again? Right? It should not be available. Now we will handle this part. For that, I will create a array. Earlier we are having a count. So I will create an array that added cart, added to cart. And I have created a array here that added to cart. So directly I am creating a empty array added to cart. Now go back to the function of add to cart. So here you are having add to cart. Which function it is calling? It is calling a function add to cart. Do one thing, send the indexing of product. Send the indexing of product, right? How to send the indexing? Wherever you are running the loop, keep a comma here and write let I equals to index. So it will have the index of product. Now, whenever you are clicking on this button, send the I from here. So add to cart function is accepting one index here. Index type of any. It can be of any type. Now, first thing we will do is we will append this add to cart array. So here I will write this dot added to cart dot push. In this array, I want to push one product from products with the indexing as index. In this way, so keep it any, right? Means it can accept anything. And after that, let me print it to the console. Add it to cart. Console.log. It means whatever product you are clicking add to cart, it will be getting printed to console. For that, let's open the console. So here, wait. If I'm clicking on this particular, so a array is coming and array is having this one 2999 actual price image in stock solo max slip ons ultra black. Did you click this one only? It is coming. It is coming. After that, let's click on the third one. Clicked on this. Again, two products are coming. Click on the array. First zeroth indexing, and here it is having the second indexing. Click on this, and it is saying that crossover Brogues 10. This product only you clicked. It is coming into array, right? It is coming into array. Now, it is coming fine. You just need to increase the counter also. So we will do one thing. I will say this dot count plus plus so that you can check the cart also. Right here working. Now we will solve a problem that whenever this product is already available, this product is already available, it should not be getting clicked. It should not be getting clicked. For that, you need to assign this product a SKU. Now, if you don't know what is SKU, it is like a ID. It is like a ID, inventory code. Or let me show you. Go to Amazon and here anything you can search. Let's say this air conditioner I will search. So whenever you are checking the products details, it has a SKU or a ID. This one either means it will be a part of ID, uniquely identified number. So it can be written as SKU or simple ID. So for all of the product, I will write a ID. So first thing to the first product, I will write the ID as 1. ID as 1. Now, why I am writing this ID, I'll show you. Let's refresh, go to inspect, console, and here I will click on this button. And you will see that a product is coming whose ID is 1. Whose ID is 1. Right? Whose ID is 1. But why I did this? Let's go back to VS Code. And here you are writing a button. This one button, I'll copy paste it one more time. And in that, I will remove this image. I will remove that click function, cursor pointer, everything I will remove. And I will create this button as disabled. And here I will write a text already added. Already added. As of now, you will see this button everywhere. Already added, right? You will see that everywhere. Already added in this way. But you will not see that product when product is out of stock. Now, how to do it? For that, I will show one thing, that if this product is available in the ID of add to cart, means this product is available in add to cart array, then this button will not be displayed, it will displayed, right? This particular part will be displayed. Or remove this button. Here instead of writing this, I will write a paragraph, and in this paragraph I will write add to cart. Let's check how it is coming. So it is coming in this way. Okay, so write a style that it is displaying inline, right? Okay, then I will display one more paragraph which will say added or already added. And it is also, now I want that if I have clicked to add to cart button, it should display this text already added, already added, and this particular part should not come. Understood? That we want to do. These things we will do at the end with this particular part. As of now, I am removing this, and this is our working Angular application. We cannot add the item who is out of stock. It will give a alert, or we can add these products. Now what I want is, whenever I am clicking on this cart icon, it should open another page. Right? We haven't used anchor tag till now in our Angular. Right? We are working only on single page application. Now for that, let's create another component, or you can call a page. So for that, open the terminal, move to the folder, and we will generate ng generate component cart. It will generate a cart component. It has generated, right? It has generated the cart component. As of now, I can remove the main component. First go to the cart, open its HTML, CSS and TypeScript. Now give yourself a 2 minute of break and just think what this cart component will do. Take your time and explain anyone. Take 2 minutes and just think what will be the use of this cart component or cart page. Take your time. Yes. What will be the use of this cart? Cart item will show all the details of product which we have added to cart. It means that whenever you are clicking on that cart icon, this cart page will be opened. This cart page will be opened and it will show the products that you have added into the cart. Now for that, there is a inconvenience here. The array which is having the products is available inside the main.ts file. How you will use those product in cart.ts? Because files are different. Files are different. For that, we need to import. Okay, kind of. We can import the file. You should be having one thing. We learned this thing in TypeScript, that how to export one file's function to others. Remember what is that topic? Yes, what is that topic? We did it right in TypeScript, that one file will be exporting the files and another file will be accepting that. Forgot? Yes, we did this in TypeScript, right? One class was exporting its components and others was accepting. That concept we will try to use here. But before that, let's design our cart, that how actually it will look. How actually it will look. For that, in the cart, at first I will create a products array or added product array. I will create a added products array, and it will take all the things, because this TypeScript file is useful. So what I will do is, two products I will copy paste to the TypeScript file. Now let's say this time I have hard coded the two products, that the user has added these two products in the cart, right? How these products will be getting displayed in the cart? For that, at first what we will do is, in the app component we will import the cart component, and here we will use it. And this time app will be not be displaying these things, right? App will be displaying only app hyphen cart. We will back these things by simply adding their tag, because their file is safe. Now your Angular application is displaying cart works. If you want to keep the header again, so we just need to add the tag of header, which is app hyphen header. Header will come. After that, you can keep a HR tag, and then you can keep app hyphen main. So everything will come again. Cart works. Because we are just designing the cart, so I will remove everything. Now, cart will be displayed whenever we are running the Angular application. Okay, so we have three files. Let's check the UI whenever we are trying to add products to cart. So for that, I will search added to cart UI. What about this design? if we are displaying in this way, how is it? Is it good? We can follow the same design. We will show a image, name, and these button we will not show because condition we have already written that you can add only one time. Means we will write that condition. Here we will show price and here we will show the total price also. What we will show? Total price and then checkout. Checkout means you can go to the next step and buy the products, right? That's what we will do now. So let's start designing it. First thing is I will create a main container. So I will give it a class as container. Go to CSS file. Here I will write dot container and its width is 100 view width. And see, I'll tell you one thing. If I have written some property here in CSS or in HTML that you are having a confusion that what is the use of this, how you will use this, you can ask me at the same time. No need to waste the time, right? No need to waste the time. You can ask me at the same time, right? And what kind of background color it is? Something as aqua. So background color, let's say aquamarine, but it will not be looking good, I think. Okay, keep it. Now inside this, I will create the container of cart, that white color of card. For that, I will create a container with class as cart. Okay, here the container will be displaying a flex, aligning the items in center and justifying the content in center. After that, I will write the CSS for cart. Let's give it a width of 100 pixel and height of 100 pixel and background color of red. Just to check whether it is coming in the place that we want or not. So we want it here only and it is coming, right? That's it. I will attach a white color of background. Width I will keep here around 600 pixel. Height I will not write. Height I will not write because height will be changing. I will let you know how. So first let's check width. Here we will show picture, name, price. You can keep it 650. After that, we will attach a border radius here. Border radius of 20 pixel and a padding of 10 pixel. Right? Height, for height, I have said that I will not write in number. Here I will write fit content. You know what is fit content? How much content you are writing inside this, it will take that height automatically. If you are writing one h1 tag here, so its height will be that much only. If you have added more component inside it, it will take that height only, right? It will take that height only. So I will remove it. And if I am removing these two things from here, and you will see that it will result in this kind of thing, right? It will result in this kind of thing. So for that height, you need to at least write, and if you're writing height in 100%, right? If I'm writing height in 100%, it will not work here, right? Height of 100% doesn't work. So we'll keep those things back. So this is our container now where checkout and other things will be coming. Sorry. Now let's start writing into the container, and this is the design that we will follow. At the top there is a shopping cart and remove all link. So we will keep it, and I think I have told you the design that whenever you are building the things, you have to either follow the rows or columns. So here I will first follow a row. So shopping cart and remove all. Create a container for them. First we will show H3 shopping cart, shoe cart, and then a anchor tag, remove all, and I will write a normal href here, that href equals to hash, means nothing is there basically. So you will see that shoe cart and remove all is coming in this way, and that's how it is supposed to come. To their parent I will say that you are displaying style, and then you are displaying flags, and you are justifying the content in space between, that you are writing that they will have space between them. So shoe cart and remove all, they are coming, it is coming, right? Okay, let me remove one property. So at the top it will come, right? And here I will attach some padding from top of around 50 pixel. Shoe cart, remove all, it is coming. Now second thing is, you need to display picture of product, that is added, name of product and price only, right? In straight line. So for that we know that we have to run a container again. So div, that's it. Write a loop here, that is ng4 let of item of added products, let item of added products. What we need to show, their image. So image src equals to, here we need to keep the things in a string interpolation, item dot image. You have written the link in image section only, right? Item dot image. Okay, so image not terminated. Okay, so you have to import here common module first. Right, image is coming 2 times. Okay, 2 products are there, so both of the images are coming, right? After this, I will show the product name also. Let's say in H3, I will show item dot name, item dot name. So here name is also coming. We will design it, no worries. And then we need to show item dot price as well. item dot price as well. Price is also coming. Now this container is there. Let's give it a ID as added hyphen products and call it in CSS added hyphen products display flex. Right? Image size we will reduce here because image is looking too big. So here if we are keeping a width of 80, fine, that much, or 100 max to max, 100 you can keep. Right? Now second thing is aligning these things. So here I will write that justify the content space between. So they will have some sort of space between them, right? They will have some sort of space between them. Next thing is we need to attach a space between, like here, lot of space. So parent is displaying who is the parent to all of these item. There is a parent as container. To this container I will say that you have a row gap of 30 pixel. Save the file. Main content. Okay, you have to say this to cart. Sorry. Remove it from here. Paste it. And okay, cart is not displaying flex. It can change the CSS design. So we need to keep the flex direction as well to column. Right now they are having a space between them also. That is fine. One more thing, let me remove one element or one product, you can say. Here I have removed one product. So you will see only one product is coming. If I'm keeping that product two times, so you will say 3 times that product is coming, and height of the container is adjusting automatically, right? Adjusting automatically. Can we make this remove all working? Can we make this remove all working? Let's try once. Okay. For that, what I will do, first we need to write, instead of writing href, let's create a button inside it, right? Or we can write to this also. It is not like that. If you are writing a click event to this, that click equals to remove all, it will call a function remove all, right? It will call a function remove all. In TypeScript, let's declare a function as remove all, remove all, and let's first print to the console that function is working. Function is working. Because we need to check whether it is working or not. Function is working. That's fine. So instead of printing this, you need to delete everything from this array. You need to delete everything from this added products array. For that, let's run a loop. So for I equals to 0, because indexing starts from 0 colon. I will say that I is not defined. So do one thing. You can write here that let I will work less than added products dot length. Means how many products are there in this array? One less than I plus plus. And every time you will do this dot added products dot pop. So if 4 products are there, 4 time it will pop the elements and it will remove all. We are just writing this function. So let's check it's working. Okay. So every time we are needed to click, it is not removing the elements. Zero equals to, okay. So now let's try to keep there 3 elements. Last time we have 2, or more than 3 you can have. So now we have these many elements. Remove all. Okay, there is some problem in code. Repeated products are there. Got it. It will work fine. Don't worry. So removing the all will work fine. Okay. Second thing is it should show you the total price also. It should show you the total price also. Now we are making one mistake from the starting, that whenever we are showing the price, we are writing the price as a string. So we need to change it. For writing it without string, so price in this way. One four nine nine, and in HTML while you are writing the price, add rs manually. That we can do. So here there will be no change. From the second product also I will remove this rs, and here I will keep 1499 price again, and you will see that rs 1499. In the UI there is a line after that, there is a line after that. So what we will do is, here in TypeScript we will define a variable as subtotal. And strictly I am saying that it will be a type of number. Subtotal will be a number type and its by default value is 0. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Let's keep a HR tag here. And what HR tag will do? HR tag will give you a line in, okay. Class container displaying flex and flex direction column. No, we'll keep it inside only. So you will see that here the line is coming. After that, I need to show one H2, that total or subtotal means how much price is there. Here it will render the price of subtotal. This subtotal. So subtotal 0. Here I will write a style also. Style equals to text align right. So text will go to the right side. Subtotal 0. If I'm changing the price of subtotal here, so that price is coming, but I want the sum of these two prices. I want the sum of these two prices. For that, we will write one thing. Whenever this loop is running, whenever this loop is running, here H2 will write a loop. H2 will write a loop that ng for equals to, but it is not a right practice. I am showing you. It will work in let item of added products. Here you need to show subtotal plus item dot price. Item dot price. Subtotal's initial value is 0. Item's price will be getting added to it. So it will come in this way. 1499, 1499. That is why I said you that it is not a good practice. We have to use some different concept here because it will write it in a different way, right? We need to write it in a different way. For that, let's remove this part. We have to do this calculation outside only. We need to do this calculation outside only, means in TypeScript only. So here let's declare this subtotal in here after this particular class. What I want is here we will run a loop. Let's say here if I'm running a loop, but it will not be allowed here. Okay. So we need to calculate the total price outside only, then we need to display it here. For that we are running the loop to display the prices and all things here. There only we need to do that calculation, right? There only we need to do that calculation. For that, if I am writing a function that calculate total. If you are directly writing this, calculate total. As this is HTML, it don't know anything. It is will be displaying this calculate total as a text. Calculate total, calculate total. If I want to execute a function directly without clicking anywhere, or else you can do one thing, that the value of subtotal. Go to TypeScript. Here you are writing that subtotal. We are writing a subtotal. I will create a function as subtotal. Const subtotal, and this is how we create the arrow functions. You need to map this. The okay. So remove it. Now this subtotal is a function, or this way. Here I am saying that for let I equals to 0, I less than and equals to this dot added products dot length I plus plus, and declare a variable as total, which will be of type number. Initial value is 0. Here we will run a loop, and we will run a loop that this dot total is equals to this dot added product dot added products with the indexing of I dot price plus this dot total. Means in the total we are adding the prices, and after that, once this for loop is completed, we will print that price to console. So this dot total. So we have created a function as subtotal, and to this heading I will attach a on click event. On click, it will call the function subtotal. Just to tell you, I am writing these things. Okay. Click event. And here we will remove this. T capital. Now, if you are clicking on this subtotal, it should show you the price which will be equal to these two price. Okay. Subtotal. Price will be Okay, so it is throwing some error. We'll check it. Let's say check it tomorrow only. So we will write the same function and same loop. We will calculate the total price and we will display it here in the subtotal, right? After that, we will merge this card to the cart button there. If you are clicking on that, you will display here. Okay. So fine guys, let's connect again on today's weekend. So try to complete this application. I will post the GitHub repository also. At least complete it till now. Okay. We'll connect again on Monday. Bye guys. Take care. Enjoy your Sunday. You can leave.